As we age, our bodies require more thoughtful care, and that includes the food we eat. Certain fruits not only nourish our bodies but also protect our muscles, joints, and bones, helping us maintain the strength and independence we cherish. If you're looking to make smarter, gentler choices for your well-being, consider incorporating these powerful fruits into your diet. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. Berries may be small, but they pack a powerful punch. Unlike many other fruits, they are low in natural sugars, which means they won't spike your blood sugar levels, a key concern for many older adults. But what truly sets berries apart is their abundance of antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. These antioxidants fight free radicals in the body, harmful molecules that can lead to chronic inflammation and age-related decline. By reducing inflammation, berries help protect muscle tissues and joints, easing pain and stiffness that often come with age. They also support better circulation, which is vital for leg strength and mobility. Incorporating a handful of berries into your morning oatmeal or as a midday snack can help your body stay strong and resilient, one delicious bite at a time. Cherries, particularly tart cherries, are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties. They contain compounds like anthocyanins and quercetin, which can help reduce muscle soreness, joint pain, and inflammation, common issues for many seniors. What makes cherries so special is their ability to relieve symptoms of arthritis and gout, two conditions that severely affect mobility. Regular consumption may lead to improved sleep and reduced leg cramps, which are often aggravated by inflammation and poor circulation. If you suffer from sore knees, tight calves, or aching hips, adding cherries to your diet can be a gentle and natural way to bring relief and improve your quality of life. Avocados. Often mistaken as a vegetable, the avocado is a superfruit for seniors. It's incredibly rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and essential for maintaining supple joints and strong muscles. Unlike many other fruits, avocados are very low in sugar, making them ideal for blood sugar management. They're also packed with potassium, magnesium, and vitamin E, all of which support nerve function, muscle contraction, and tissue repair. This is especially important for preventing leg cramps and muscle weakness. Whether spread on toast or sliced into a salad, avocados offer a creamy, delicious way to fuel your strength from the inside out. Papaya. Papaya is often overlooked, but it's a nutritional treasure chest for seniors. This tropical fruit contains papain, a powerful enzyme that aids digestion and reduces inflammation. When digestion is smooth, the body absorbs nutrients better, giving muscles the fuel they need to grow and repair. Papaya is also high in vitamin C, which supports collagen production for joint and skin health, and beta-carotene, an antioxidant that protects against tissue damage and oxidative stress. If you often feel bloated, sluggish, or stiff, papaya may help improve your digestive comfort while supporting your legs and joints. Think of it as gentle medicine straight from nature. Conclusion: your body has carried you through decades of life. It deserves to be nourished with foods that support, not sabotage, your strength, balance, and independence. Choosing fruits like berries, cherries, avocados, and papaya is a small act of self-care with life-changing potential. These fruits don't just fill your plate, they fill your future with energy, ease, and the freedom to move. By being mindful of the fruits you eat, limiting those high in sugar and acid, and embracing nourishing, anti-inflammatory options like berries, cherries, avocados, and papaya, you're not just making a smart health choice. You're choosing strength over weakness, vitality over decline, and independence over limitation. You've already taken the first step by watching this video. Now, take the next step toward protecting your legs, your health, and your future. If this video opened your eyes, give it a thumbs up to let us know it helped. Share it with a friend or loved one who needs this information just as much as you do. And most importantly, subscribe and turn on notifications, because each week, we bring you trusted tips to help you stay strong, mobile, and independent at every age. Remember, it's never too late to take back control of your health, one small change at a time. Stay strong, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.